Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just chilling here at home. So today's video I didn't get to say anything. Some people are still working, so I just went ahead and recorded some stuff silently. So basically wired all the plugs down on the first floor today, wired them and then made them up. Someone hit one of the wires, so they had to fix a couple of the plugs or whatever. But anyways, I did all that, and then I did like three of the ceiling boxes, or boxed 3 rooms for the ceiling lights. One of them was nylon boxes, and the other 2 I think were spreader bars or something like that. Maybe it was just 2 rooms. Anyways, sorry for the noise, my dad's outside doing something. So yeah, that was basically about it. I think that's all I did today. I can't remember. Anyways, the last couple of days been getting up being at work at 5 in the morning, so extremely early, and I don't like it. But what can you do? So Monday I took like a 3-hour nap, and then yesterday I took a 5-hour nap. So I finished the video yesterday at like 1:30, and then I fell asleep, so that's why I uploaded it like 5 hours late at 6 o'clock or whatever my time. So anyways guys, let's get on to the video. I forgot about that. So here's the video that you haven't seen yet that I just told you about, and then I will be back here to say a few more words at the end. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. Just short and simple, not super long. If you got any questions, let me know. And don't forget about the giveaway. It's a few videos back. Just watch the video or read the description, follow the rules. Make sure to enter for the free tool giveaway as I get close to 1,000 subscribers. And if we reach 1,000 subscribers by Friday at 3:30 my time, Pacific Standard Time, I will be doing a drill set giveaway, Milwaukee 18 volt. So check that out. Hope you guys win. Appreciate all the support, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it, as I'm trying to get the 1,000 subscribers so I can do live streaming, as I'm going to be gone for the next 3 weeks. Or not this week, but the week after. So not Monday, but the following Monday, I'll be gone for 3 weeks. So I want to do a bunch of live streaming. So make sure to subscribe so I can hit that 1,000 subscriber count, so I can do live streaming on mobile, and that will be super fun and give you guys some content while I am not at work for 3 weeks. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. I will see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.